Derek was out filming a different video today, so I stopped by to finish up the masking, which he had started. You guys can comment and say who did what, you know? Just drop a comment and say who you thought did what, and we'll just, you know, go in and take a look. Ta-da!
Oh yeah, I can see perfect. Oh.
Santa's here! We had to remask everything to make sure when we put the primer on, you know, we're not spraying stuff that's not supposed to be sprayed. Every single piece of paint that was silver is now covered in either newspaper or Christmas wrapping paper. $5 at, you know, Target.
I started with newspaper, and this man, he completely wrapped the car in Christmas paper, which, you know, I can't even knock because there's no silver showing. He even finessed the GT logos. That's tape. That's masking tape inside. You know, we got everything sanded down. Everything, I wanna say was wet sanded at one point, so it's very smooth and, you know, all the color's gone. I don't think we really showed you the rear bumper, but rear bumper's all sanded as well, masked. I mean, the whole car's ready to rock. We did take your advice, boys. Bang, we got it. A lot of you said, Derek, do not use that perfect match, matte black. I don't know why, I just took your word for it because a lot of you did say that. So we copped 2 cans of the SEM trim. You know, we're out here 10 o'clock, 9:30, 10 o'clock, about to paint this just for you all. So if you would, just drop a like up on our series. We'd greatly appreciate it. Drop a comment down below.
Subscribe button if you
Yeah, the subscribe button, guys, the subscribe button. Because one day, and one day soon, one of you watching right now will have the opportunity to purchase Silverback when Jordan and I are completely done giving it our personal touches. And you have my word, this car will look, it already sounds amazing. It sounds sick, it runs great, it's pretty quick, but it will look insane. And it's gonna be the great Fox body, great 4-eyed Fox for somebody to buy in the future. So you're gonna have first dabs at it, man. We're gonna knock this front end out. Yeah, we'll just do a nice little base coat and let's do it, man, run it. You're good at that, huh?
ever heard of shake weights?
Yeah, is that what it is? Shake weights?
Yeah.
We're on to you, man.
I've been practicing with my shake weights.
You a little nervous?
Yeah, no, yeah.
Well, this is a high output tip. High output tip, 50% faster coverage. Ever been high? Oh, dude, we're getting gassed out. We're getting gassed out. Oh my god, this is dumb. Don't do this. Dude, that actually looks good as fuck. That's exciting though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, I can kind of like visualize how that fresh black is gonna look. It's gonna look sick.
About to be bussin'. Front end's doing good. It's not like hard to do, but you just gotta take your time and make sure you're not overspraying to get like drip marks and stuff.
I've been waiting a long time to do this.
To do that?
I think we're gonna kill this. I think it's gonna look really good.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna look really good because a lot of people would typically skip the primer step doing something so simple like this. So hopefully all this work pays off.
Chrome delete. No steps are skipped.
No steps.
We're just gonna tackle coat number 2. You guys don't need to watch that again, so we're just gonna knock that out, and then we'll give you a full walk around once we're done.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to finally lay down our SCM trim, black trim paint on Silverback here. Jordan, it's been a hell of a process. We went through the ringer with this car, from masking it off completely to sanding all the trim down to using a 400 grit wet sand afterwards after the 180 grit. This is a very exciting moment right now because we're gonna see the paint laid down for the first time. I'm hoping it's a nice little color. Everybody swears by this paint. So yeah, man, the primer came out great, super smooth. And this is just the outcome of taking your time and doing things the right way. It is really nice. And I think this this trim paint is gonna take this car to the next level, considering how good it's gonna look. I just wanna let you know, with whatever happens, you're still my friend, okay?
Still your friend. even if you mess it up.
If I mess it up, I'm still your friend.
What if I just like sprayed it with
You won't though. 1 through 10 right now. Ooh, that looks good already.
That looks good.
It does. It does seem like it's laying a little different. Like it's almost splatters. I'm not gonna have you guys sit through this whole entire painting process. You obviously get the gist of it. So I'm gonna let Jordan keep knocking out the front bumper. And as soon as the first coat is on, we'll pick you back up, give you a little walk around, and fingers crossed, boys. I think this is gonna work out really good. I don't know if you're able to tell which side he painted. That was a joke. Giving you guys a little close up, you can see just how nicely that laid down in our primer side. So it's looking good. It really is. It's gonna take a lot of cans of this. I can pretty much guarantee that. Taking 3 more cans just to be fully safe. We gotta do that. We gotta do the whole back end besides the trim.
piece that goes around the back.
And then I'd like to have like just enough to do one more full coat on it when it's fully dry. I think that'll be a perfect. Dude, like, let's look at the front real quick. This thing looks insane. Oh my God, that looks so good, don't it?
Yeah.
Dude, the way that dries.
Dries pretty good.
Hell yeah, that matte is so nice. And it's a really deep matte look. I'm very excited to see this. Just like looking at the front end, it's gonna look really good. Moment of truth, DBP squad. Drop a like up on the video. This is a long time coming. I'm very satisfied with how this turned out. Be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. Let us know how we did. Dang, boys, look at this.
This is paint on trim.
Ooh, she's glossy, but she's matte at the same time.
I like unwrapping the car right now.
Here's the front end of the car. Take a look at all that nice black trim that is freshly coated with 3 coats. And that SEM paint, it definitely goes on a little thicker, wouldn't you say? Yeah. Than you know, any other paint I've ever used. But you can see it just...
it lays a little different too.
It lays different, but when it dries, it just dries so good. With all the work, you know, we're obviously unwrapping it all today. So yes, it does feel like Christmas Day. Oh my God, I'm seeing the silver with the fresh black trim for the first time. We're gonna go in oh, damn. Did you stick on it?
We're replacing it.
I'm just kidding, guys. Looks great, dude.
Yeah,
it looks really good. Sorry guys, it started raining, but we're trying to make best of what we got right now. Just want to give you a little overlook of it. It came out so good. Okay, you filming? Yeah. So you just saw, what's the name again? Oh yeah, Silverback 5.0. It's done. Oh, it's almost done. We got a lot of stuff to do yet. It's pouring rain, but it looks freaking amazing, and I'm very satisfied with the results of the Sen trim paint.
Hit that right there.
Woo. It looks like it's revived for sure.
Oh yeah.
Like, and once we get the polisher, the hood finished, lowered tint, the new wheels, the lip. This thing's gonna look good, man. She sounds good. I forgot how good this car sounds. I'm glad we went black. Yeah, the charcoal looks good, but the black looks fire on this car. And luckily, our black pinstripe is in really good condition, so that just even adds to it a little bit. But I'm very satisfied with how this turned out. You know, let me know in the comments, guys. How do you think it looks? Be honest, you know, this is our first time ever doing this, and we took our time and just tried our best, and I think it looks great.
First try.
Give us a round of applause, man.